Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test.
Lucas enjoys basketball every Saturday in Denver. A. Play. B. Playing. C. To playing. Chloe promised Mateo with his science project. A. Help. B. To help. C. Helping. Mateo suggested to Miami for spring break. A. To going. B. Go. C. Going. Sophia avoided late to the Portland meeting. A. To be. B. Being. C. Be. Noah can't stand in traffic for hours. A. To wait. B. Wait. C. Waiting. Liam offered Chloe with her homework. A. Help. B. To help. C. Helping. Emma decided a new laptop before college. A. To buy. B. Buying. C. Buy. Olivia enjoys novels set in Denver, Colorado. A. Read. B. Reading. C. To reading. Mateo hopes a scholarship for his studies. A. Win. B. To win. C. Winning. Lucas admitted the wrong bus by mistake. A. To take. B. Taking. C. Take. Chloe ran her old teacher in Miami. A. Across. B. Into. C. After. Noah looked the word in the dictionary. A. Into. B. Up. C. On. Sophia turned the invitation to the Denver concert. A. Down. B. Up. C. Off. Mateo brought an interesting idea during class. A. Out. B. Up. C. In. Emma grew in Portland, Oregon. A. Up. B. On. C. Out. Liam called the soccer game because of rain. A. Out. B. Up. C. Off. Olivia put her jacket before leaving the house. A. On. B. Up. C. Out. Lucas came a rare coin collection at the flea market. A. Across. B. After. C. Along. Noah takes his father in appearance. A. After. B. Over. C. Up. Chloe looked her younger brother while babysitting. A. Into. B. After. C. On. Mateo arrived Miami at midnight. A. At. B. In. C. On. Sophia lives Portland, Oregon. A. On. B. In. C. At. Lucas waited the station for the train. A. In. B. At. C. On. Chloe placed the vase the table. A. At. B. On. C. In. Liam was born Denver, Colorado. A. On. B. In. C. At. Noah walked the park every morning. A. Through. B. Across. C. Into. Emma stayed at a hotel in Miami Beach. A. At. B. On. C. In. Olivia sat her best friend during class. A. Beside. B. Besides. C. Between. Chloe put the groceries the counter. A. On. B. At. C. In. Lucas traveled train from Boston to New York. A. With. B. By. C. On. Sophia studied hard. She scored well on the test. A. Consequently. B. Although. C. However. Mateo was tired. He completed his assignment. A. However. B. Consequently. C. Therefore. Chloe enjoys painting. She teaches art classes on weekends. A. Furthermore. B. Although. C. Consequently. Lucas overslept, he missed the flight. A. However. B. Consequently. C. Similarly. Emma is good at math, she excels in physics. A. Similarly. B. Consequently. C. However. Liam missed practice, he played poorly in the game. A. Consequently. B. Although. C. Similarly. Noah is tall, his brother is short. A. However. B. Consequently. C. Similarly. Olivia worked hard, she earned a scholarship in Miami. A. However. B. Consequently. C. Similarly. Chloe wanted to attend the concert, it was sold out. A. However. B. Consequently. C. Therefore. Lucas likes basketball, he enjoys baseball. A. Although. B. Similarly. C. However. Each student must bring a notebook. A. His or her. B. Their. C. Its. Everyone submitted homework on time. A. Its. B. Their. C. His or her. Neither Lucas nor Matteo brought phone charger. A. Their. B. Its. C. His. Someone left umbrella in the hallway. A. Their. B. His or her. C. Its. Anybody can share opinion during the debate. A. Their. B. Its. C. His or her. Both Chloe and Sophia completed projects. A. Her. B. Its. C. Their. Each of the athletes gave best effort. A. Their. B. His or her. C. Its. Nobody offered assistance to Liam. A. Their. B. His or her. C. Its. All of the students presented speeches in class. A. Their. B. His. C. Her. Neither the teacher nor the students brought textbooks. A. His. B. Their. C. Its.
Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.